Hey guys, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Is your Outlook not receiving emails even though everything seems fine? This issue can happen for a bunch of reasons, like incorrect server settings, full mailbox storage, blocked senders, email filters sending messages to junk, or even sync problem. To help you get your Outlook receiving emails smoothly again, I'll share the most effective methods in this video tutorial. And yes, if you need more help, you can dial these numbers on the screen to talk to our experts. Alright then, let's jump right into the solutions. Method 1. Remove your account and then re-add it. First of all, open your Outlook program. Now, head to search bar on your taskbar and type in Task Manager, then open it. Once Task Manager is open, look for Outlook in the list of running apps. Click on Outlook, then hit the End Task button to close it completely. Next, go back to the search bar on the taskbar and search for Outlook again. When Outlook appears, click on Settings icon on the page. Now, find the Manage option next to your account and click on it. Scroll down a little and you will see Remove option. Go ahead and click that. After removing your account, sign back in with your email address and password. Now, try sending an email and see if it works. Method 2. Remove your Outlook add-in. Press the Window key plus R together to bring up the Run dialog box. Type Outlook/safe into the box and hit OK. Next, a Choose Profile window will pop up. Just click OK to continue. Now, take a look at the top left corner and click on File tab. On the left side, scroll down and click Options at the very bottom. In the Options menu, find and click on Add-ins. Scroll to the bottom where you will see Manage with a drop-down next to it. Click the Go button. Now, uncheck all the add-ins you see in the list. Click OK and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.